I know.
I see that. I need to get drunk.
Totally.
Yeah.
Frosty Lager.
Woo!
We are the Greene Booze and Elixir, and it is my privilege, it is my pleasure to introduce this man over here, the gentleman to my left, Sean like a Boozer.
If you think that's something, check this out. Ladies and gentlemen, Thomas Greene.
Oh!
Thank you.
Yeah.
And we're still the Greene Booze and Elixir, hooray for us.
Yeah.
And we're going to improvise for you right now. So to get this going, please, may we please have good old-fashioned activity.
Running.
Plumbing.
Bathroom weaving.
Plumbing. Yeah, right on.
Right, a pencil.
Get it. Hit it hard.
Well, I was just gonna make an X on the.
To where to hit
This is
it.
where you hit it. Yeah.
Oh.
Oh. There you go. Plumbing's hard.
Yeah. Ooh. Oh, yeah.
Indeed.
Oh, yeah. That's different. There's a whole bunch of, I bet that's, you know what? I bet that's connected to that.
Ooh, I feel rumbling.
You feel rumbling? Okay.
Yeah, just turn it up.
Oh, sorry. Okay, there you go. Off, that was it. Okay.
The rumbling stopped. Those are connected. I will draw an arrow.
Good. Now we know, so now get somewhere.
Those are
Okay.
connected. Those are connected.
Well, then let's see what we got to do here.
Oh, yes. Oh, was that 8 or 9 X's?
You're in charge of the pencil. I give you the pencil for a reason.
Well, I'm failing
Samuel.
Eric. I know your name too. Big deal. I gotta catch up. Can you give me a second?
Well, we got some Time Life books over here.
Oh, you know what's even better?
What?
I got some National Geographic over here.
Oh,
You like African titties?
yeah. Who doesn't? Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was a good break.
Not a lot of plumbing involved there, but
I thought we were just taking a break.
no, there's Time Life books over here.
What does that have to do with plumbing?
There's, well, this one, okay, well, this is not the right one. It's how to build a patio, this one. This one's how to build a patio.
We should totally
This
build a
one-
patio, man. That'd be awesome.
And then there's one I would imagine that is.
Oh, wow, you're kind of scattered. I thought we were going to build a patio, and now you're moving on to new stuff? I hold a pencil. Does that mean something?
Yes, you have power.
By the power of pencil!